Today is Monday, 18th day of March 2024. Bola Ahmed Tinubu has requested the loan of $1.5 billion from the World Bank. At this time around, what is he going to use it for? He wants to use it to carry out the building or rebuilding of IDP camps. He told them that he wants to use it to fund IDP camps. That is where the people that has been chased away from their homes because of insurgents, banditry, and other insecurity across the country. Now, I don't really know if the World Bank will borrow them this money, because if the World Bank deliberately lend Nigeria $1.5 billion after seeing how the senators squander and share our money on the Senate floor, after seeing how the 2024 budget was shared to so many unnecessary areas, like the building of the car park for the legislatures, about 6 billion, the building of VP House, about 15 billion naira, the renovation or buying of software for the chief of staff and the secretary to the government of the federation, about 10 billion naira, and so on and so forth. Unnecessary expenses. So if the World Bank still gives Nigeria this money, meaning the World Bank, they are just trying to make sure Nigeria will not rise up from the economic challenges they are having. That is one. Then secondly, day before yesterday, soldiers were killed in Delta State. It's an unfortunate incident, and a lot of people has condemned the act. And we demanded that police, DSS, and other security agencies should do investigation so that to unravel the true identity of people who perpetrated this act. As if that is not enough, Tinubu asked the military, he gave them the full order, go to the city and bring those people to book. How is it possible that those who kill soldiers will still be on that community? Now, soldiers went there and started burning down houses. If you see what they are doing in Uwende now, burning down houses in Delta State, and you are telling the international communities, IMF, borrow me money, World Bank, borrow me money to fund the IDPs, and you are sending soldiers to raise down people's house so that they will go to IDP camps. Does that really make sense? It doesn't make sense. So I think Tinubu has failed in all ramifications. I have not seen what Tinubu is doing really well. If he removes fuel subsidy, he will not remove it in a manner that it will benefit the public. When he does this, he does that, everything he's doing, nothing is absolutely working.